Botanical garden is a living archive, a scientifically managed space where every leaf and root is catalogued with meticulous care. Long before modern conservation existed, these spaces began as humble collections of medicinal herbs. Today they stand as the last line of defense for the Earth's most vulnerable flora, bridging the gap between wild nature and human stewardship. In a botanical garden, every single plant is carefully chosen, planted, and tracked. If you look closely at the little signs next to the plants, you won't just see rose. You will see its exact scientific name, where it originally came from in the world, and sometimes even what year it was planted. Scientists and gardeners keep detailed records of every plant. Right now, plants all over the world are in trouble because of things like deforestation, climate change, and cities expanding. Many rare plants are losing their natural homes. When a plant goes extinct in the wild, it's gone forever. And when a plant disappears, it's like pulling a piece out of a giant Jenga tower. The insects, birds, and animals that relied on it start to struggle too. This is where botanical gardens come to save them. They use some really fascinating science to keep plants safe. The first one is seed banking. Scientists collect seeds from rare plants, dry them out, and freeze them. It's like creating a backup save file for a plant. Even if the plant disappears in the wild, we still have its seeds safe in the vault, ready to be grown again someday. The second one is tissue culture. It is also known as plant cloning. Some plants don't make good seeds. For those, scientists take a tiny microscopic piece of the plant, like a speck of a leaf, and put it in a special nutrient jelly in a lab. From that tiny piece, they can grow hundreds of brand new healthy plants. The third one is ecological restoration. Saving a plant in a greenhouse is only step one. The ultimate goal is to take those healthy lab grown plants and carefully replant them back into the wild, helping to rebuild damaged forests and ecosystems. Now, you know what is a botanical garden, how botanical gardens play an important role in keeping plants safe. You might be thinking, that's nice, but how does this affect my life? Well, plants are the foundation of everything. Did you know that the active ingredient in aspirin originally came from the bark of a willow tree? Many of our medicines come from plants. If a rare plant goes extinct, we might lose the cure for a disease before we even discover it. Also, plants give us the oxygen we breathe and are the starting point of almost every food chain. Protecting plant diversity keeps our global food supply strong. So, a botanical garden is an active working fortress protecting the Earth's biodiversity. Which was the first botanical garden you ever visited?